In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and analyze your business reports effectively. Whether you're looking to understand your sales data better or gauge your financial standing, mastering this process is key to making informed business decisions. Let's dive in. To start, we'll first access the Reports module. You'll find this in the left sidebar of your interface. This section is your gateway to a wealth of information about your business's performance. Once you're in the Reports module, you'll notice a variety of reports available for you to explore, each providing unique insights. Now, if your goal is to focus specifically on your overall sales metrics, you'll want to head over to the Sales section. Within this section, you have two main options: Sales by Customer or Sales by Order. The Sales by Customer report gives you a detailed look at your customers, including their purchase history. This is particularly useful if you want to understand who your key customers are and what they are buying. On the other hand, the Sales by Order report will give you a breakdown of revenue from individual orders, taking into account taxes and shipping. This can help you pinpoint which products are driving your sales. However, if you're aiming for a broader financial overview, you should consider navigating to Business Overview and selecting the Profit and Loss report. This option provides a comprehensive summary of your revenue, expenses, and overall profit, giving you a holistic view of your financial health. Once you've chosen the report that suits your needs, you'll need to set an appropriate date range to ensure the data is relevant. Look for the This Month dropdown at the top of the report. By clicking this dropdown, you can select a different time period, such as this year or last quarter. Choosing the right time frame is essential because it allows you to analyze the specific period you're interested in, whether you're evaluating current performance or reflecting on past trends. Now, with your report set up and the date range selected, it's time to delve into the data itself. As you review the numbers in front of you, the information is laid out in an easily digestible format. For the Sales by Customer report, you'll see a list of your customers along with their complete purchase history. This is a great way to identify loyal customers and see what products are driving repeat business. The Sales by Order report gives you the nitty-gritty of each transaction, which is beneficial for detailed revenue analysis. Finally, for those of you reviewing the Profit and Loss report, you'll get a clearer picture of how well your business is balancing its income against its expenses. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to navigating and analyzing your business reports for better insights and improved decision-making. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides just like this one.